guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 5. So it feels weird because I feel like day 5 should be Friday, but it's Thursday because it started on Sunday. But it's like confusing, like 5, you know, should be Friday, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But it's okay, I'm trying to work past that. I'm really tired. I'm not as tired as I was yesterday, so good for that. But I feel like if you watched yesterday's vlog, then you'll see it was like, I'm gonna get some good sleep tonight. No, I did not. So, but that's okay. We're gonna try again tonight because sleep is important and it's so hard for me. I don't know if other people struggle with this, but I feel like it's hard for me to prioritize getting sleep because there's so many other things that I want to fit into those couple of hours between when the kids go to bed and when I go to bed. I feel like those are the only hours of the day that I have that are my own. And so I feel like I want to pack everything into them, and then I just stay up later and later and later and later and later, and then I'm tired the next day, but then I still have stuff to do. So it's just like it's a really bad cycle, you know, and I'm trying to get out of it, but man, it's not easy. It is not easy, but I'm gonna try again today. I'm gonna try to prioritize the things that are important, including my sleep, and try to really like make an effort to get more hours of sleep. I think I got 4.5 last night. Yeah, it's not good. Let's try for at least 6 tonight. That would be awesome. And that doesn't even sound like a lot of sleep, but compared to the amount of sleep that I've gotten in the past few days, weeks, months, years, 6 sounds pretty damn good. Day 5, let's get it. Sweet, 20 days to go. Hey guys, welcome to the afternoon with Aria. So I got off work and I came to one of my favorite places, Starbucks, because I'm so tired and I need an afternoon coffee. So I got a tall, this is the second time I've tried to say this, and for some reason I get stuck on the name of the drink, which is ridiculous. So I get a tall caramel brulee latte, which is my favorite holiday drink from Starbucks. They only have it during, I think it's like November to December. So I always like to get it whenever I can because it's the only time of the year you can get it. But I also don't like to get it too often because it is really high in calories and sugar. So it's just not, you know, it's not healthy. But it is freaking delicious. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. I highly recommend it. I get it with non-fat milk and no whipped cream because it makes it slightly better. I mean, it's still not a low calorie drink or low sugar drink, but you know, you make adjustments where you can to make it a little bit better. This is already making me feel so much better about my day. Not that the day was bad. It was a good day, but I'm just tired, man. Like, tired. I got my workout on this morning. That was good. I did weights. I did legs today. The other day was arms. Tomorrow I'll do cardio again. And then this weekend I really need to get a long run in because I'm training for the Disney Princess Half Marathon that's coming up in February. And I haven't run any long distances recently, which is not a good sign. Not good. And I would really love to be able to finish the race and finish strong. So I gotta make sure that I get a long run in this weekend, maybe like 5 or 6 miles if I can. Pray for me because it's been a minute since I've run that long. And that's not even the full distance of the 10K. So we're doing the fairy tale challenge as part of the half marathon. So that involves doing a 10K on the Saturday of the race and doing a half marathon on the Sunday of the race. So total it's 19.3 miles, 6.1 is the 10K, and then 13.2 is the half. Or I always forget which one is 0.1 and which one's 0.2, but it's whatever it is. It adds up to 19.3 for the whole weekend. So that's coming up and then the February. So I'm really trying to get my butt in gear so that I can finish the race because we're also going to the parks afterwards. So I want to be able to A, finish the race, and B, be able to walk around the park not feeling like complete trash. So that is the goal. I'm really going to try this weekend, like I said, to get a long run in. I'm putting it on video so I can commit to myself to doing that. So today the kids had a birthday party at daycare, which cool. And they gave goodie bags, also awesome, cool, fun. And they had noisemakers in them. What fellow toddler parent is like, yeah, let me give toddlers noisemakers to take home? the whole ride home was not fun. I was like, oh my god, just get home, just get home, just get home. And then after they go to bed, the noisemakers are gonna disappear. Cause for real though, like at a party, a noisemaker can be cool, but like nobody wants to hear a noisemaker when the party's over, just randomly in the middle of the night, during the day, whatever. I don't want to hear that ish. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. And usually, like, I don't know, there have been times when people would get the kids like a toy drum or something. Oh, ha, 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 I bet you hate us now because you got them a drum. And it's like, that's never really bothered me. Like, they had 2 drums, and 1, they didn't play it that much, and 2, like, the noise never bothered me. But the specific sound of a party noisemaker is so irritating. Like, nobody likes that noise. Unless you're mid-party. This chick, she's got jokes. Like, I don't know if you guys heard that, but she just blew the noisemaker when I said that to illustrate my point. Crazy chick. I don't remember what I was saying. Okay, so in today's Cooking with Aria segment, we are gonna make some sweet potato fries. These are not the fries, this is just sweet potatoes. But I'm gonna look up the recipe because I don't remember off the top of my head, but I got it from skinnytaste.com, and it's the air fryer sweet potato fries. So I'm gonna make them in our air fryer, which is over here, which I got from Target as part of their pre-Black Friday sale a few weeks ago. So I've had it for a few weeks. But technically that's a Black Friday purchase. If you're curious, I don't know, maybe nobody's curious about that. Anyway, so I'm gonna make, this is my probably 8th or 10th time making sweet potato fries in the air fryer since I bought it. It's honestly the only thing I've made so far. I want to make other things, but the sweet potato fries are so friggin' good. And I had never even attempted to make them before, but I found this recipe and it's super easy. You take the sweet potatoes, cut them into the shape of fries, and then you take a big bowl and you mix in salt, garlic powder, paprika, olive oil. And once I find the recipe, I'll remember what else goes in it. That's it, actually. So I was right on that. Sweet. I just need the recipe to remember the proportions of it. And then you put it in the air fryer for like 10, 15 minutes and bam, sweet potato fries. So that's what I'm gonna make. All right, so I just had them in for 8 minutes, and now I gotta flip them, shake them, make sure they're all turned around. This is probably not the appropriate way to do it, but I have one hand, so that's what's happening. Okay, and then I put it in for another 8 minutes. Nom nom, yes, so excited. All right, so I got my sweet potato fries. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup with them because I like it. It came out really good. Just the right amount of crisp and seasoning. It's really good. And I also made, so you know I'm not just eating sweet potato fries. We also made this taco meat. It's just ground turkey with taco seasoning, a little bit of garlic. Usually I put onions in it, but we didn't have onions, so. And I'm also gonna put some queso in it. I'm not doing like a tortilla. Usually I'd put like either ground up chips and then put it in a tortilla, making a nacho, which is really good. But I'm trying to lower my carb intake minus the sweet potato. I might take some of that for leftover for tomorrow for lunch. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a little Tupperware thing of it to take for lunch tomorrow. Good idea, Aria. And what time is it? Is it?
I am eating.
Oh, you're eating, huh? Even because it's bedtime? Full of it. Didn't want to eat until bedtime. Now suddenly she's eating. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's been a day. So do you guys see these super cute green workout leggings? Actually, I do love these leggings. They're great. They're the Zella high waist live-in leggings, and I love to work out in them. They're very comfortable, all of that jib jab. But today, I was not planning to wear yoga pants, not yoga pants, but like workout leggings to work. So I was wearing my new pink pants that I got, and I was really excited to wear them for the first time. I have another pair of pink pants that are the same cut, and I love them, so I got a different shade of pink. Even though online it said it was purple, but from the photo I could tell it was pink, and when it came I was like, this is 100% pink. Stop lying to people. Anyway, so I was really excited to wear these pink pants to work today, and at one point it was maybe like 11:30 a.m. So I had been wearing these pants for several hours, and someone comes up to me and they're like, you know you have a hole in your pants in the back, right? And I was like, are you serious? So they've got a seam up the back of both legs, and like the seam had like started to come apart. So it wasn't necessarily like a rip in the pants, but the seam had like started to come apart on one of the legs, which is still really annoying. And so like part of my leg slash almost my butt was exposed for who knows how long I was walking around like that. Like I don't know if it had a hole in it from the time I put them on or what. Luckily I was wearing this sweater, which is like covers my butt, so you probably couldn't see it all that much. That's what I'm telling myself anyway. But so I didn't want to walk around the rest of the day like that, because what if it got worse and then like my whole backside was just out and about? Like that's not really a good look. Luckily I had gone to the gym, so I had my workout leggings with me, so I just put these on, even though like I definitely sweated in them this morning, so that was cool. The rest of the day was fine though, but like I was just like, seriously? And then when I was eating my sweet potato fries later, I got ketchup. I don't think you can see it, but I got ketchup on my white shirt. So I was like, cool. I should just stop wearing clothes, because clearly they don't like me today. Oh, but it's okay. We're gonna keep a positive attitude. We're going to, you know, not stress out or freak out about little things that happen with clothes, because ultimately it's not a huge deal. It was just kind of funny because I was like, what in the world is happening? Oh, Thursday. But it's all good. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is Vlogmas day 5. I will see you guys again tomorrow for day 6. Ooh, I just kicked the camera, sorry. It is day 6, it's Friday. I'm really excited for the weekend, so I hope I can get some exciting, cool Vlogmas content this weekend. That's my goal anyway. We'll see how that turns out. You guys can let me know. But anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, share this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. What was that kiss? I've literally never blown a kiss at the end of a video ever. It felt natural though. It felt like, no, it felt a little weird. It felt wrong. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.